Okay, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or afternoon, depending on when you're watching this. Today we're going to be working on adding fractions with like denominators using fraction models. Today we're going to be using the program ABCia, so if you are going to want to make sure you find that on Google Classroom. What you're going to do is, let's just say I have the fraction 2/4. And what I want to do is I want to go ahead and say, okay, what happens if I add another fourth onto that? So I say 2/4 plus 1/4. I'm going to go ahead and bring my fourth up here. And I say 2/4 plus 1/4. Well, that equals 3/4. Pretty simple idea, right? Well, here's what it looks like if you decide to do it writing it down. So here you go. You have 2/4 plus 1/4. Now, here's what I want to show you. When you are adding fractions with like denominators, meaning our denominators are the same, you do not add the denominators up. You leave the denominator as it is. So that's going to be a fourth. But what you do add is you add the numerators up, so we can get the answer 3/4. And that's going to be your answer. Again, here's 3/4, and if I bring up ABCia, there's my 3/4 right there. Let's try another one. Here I have 3/8. And what I want to do is I want to say 3/8 plus 2/8. So I'm going to go ahead and say 1, 2/8. So now, how many 8s do I actually have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 8s. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like when you write it out. Here I have 3 8s plus 2 8s. Now, remember what we talked about. When you are doing your adding of fractions with like denominators, do not add the denominators up. You're simply going to go ahead and put 8 down for our denominator. But then we do add our numerators up, which equals 5. Now, what I want us to be able to do is I want us to be able to add these like fractions up without using fraction tiles to help us out. But for now, today, we are going to be using fraction tiles to help us out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for checking in, and I'll talk to you later.